In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply coupon code in Domino's. We'll walk through the entire process from opening Domino's to placing your order with the discount correctly applied. This is quick and straightforward, but there are a few details that make all the difference, so follow along and you'll be set. First, open Domino's on your web browser or launch the Domino's app on your phone. Both work the same way for this. If you're using the app, it helps to have the latest version so the checkout screen looks up to date and the coupon field appears where you expect it. Next, add your order. Choose the pizza you want, pick the size, and customize the toppings to your liking. When you're happy, tap or click Add to Cart. You can repeat this for any extra items you'd like, such as sides or drinks. Before you move on, take a second to glance at your cart. Some coupons require a minimum spend or specific items, so having your full order in the cart now will help the code apply smoothly. Now, go to Checkout. Click Checkout or Order Now to open your order summary. This page shows your items, any delivery or pickup details, and the totals before discounts. On this screen, find the coupon section. Look for a small link or box that says Have a Coupon or Promo Code. It's typically right under your cart summary or near the payment area. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a little. Sometimes it's collapsed or placed lower on the page. Enter your coupon code in that box. You can type it or paste it in. Make sure there aren't any extra spaces before or after the code, and double-check any tricky characters like zeros and the letter O. Apply the code by clicking Apply or Add. Give it a moment and then confirm that the discount shows up. You should see a line item or a new total reflecting the savings. If it doesn't apply, it usually means the code is expired, the order doesn't meet the minimum, certain items aren't eligible, or only one coupon is allowed per order. Adjust your cart if needed and try again. Once the discount is clearly visible, you're ready to place the order. Click Place Order or Pay to finalize. The key is that your coupon must be applied and visible before you complete payment, so always double-check the total right there on the checkout screen. And that's it. Your Domino's coupon is successfully applied and your savings are locked in. Enjoy your meal.